Bloomington North is getting close to reaching 1,700 students, which means with giving out 1,700 devices, there's bound to be a ton of issues that come along with that. And that's why CRAM is here to help alleviate the pressure of those issues. Hi, my name's Mr. Sturgeon. I'm the new CRAM teacher this year. CRAM stands for Computer Repair and Management, and we cover all student devices needs within the school. We make sure everyone has what they need to learn. CRAM is a collaboration between the students within the school, the IS department, and myself, and we all work together. I'm kind of like a supervisor, and students assist with the in-room needs. The most common issue we see is computers being stuck off or they can't charge, and the number one way to fix that is pressing the power button and F2 at the same time. You wait about 10 to 15 seconds, plug it into a charger, and it should charge for you. If it doesn't, then come on down to CRAM and we'll take care of it. Also, a lot of the issues we see are software related. So it's software glitches, like your keyboard won't work, your mouse pad isn't working, but if you restart your computer at least once a week, it'll help push updates to your laptop and prevent that from happening. So damages, it really depends on what happens. Generally, if you spill onto your laptop or you break the screen, you will have to pay for that to some extent, but it's not a huge fee. Most of these laptops are at the end of cycle, so we've had them for about 4 years now. So there's bound to be issues with them regardless of what it actually is, and it could have possibly been from someone else who had the laptop before you. So I wouldn't be super worried about getting charged for issues because it might not have been your fault at all.